I would like to thank the organizers first for giving me an opportunity to present myself here. So we all know that the thing whichever had been happened is over. A judgment has been passed by the AIFF, which is contested, which had been contested. Now, Mohan Bagan has been proved guilty, point taken, for violating the spirit of the game in the first place for not turning up. There is no argument over that. And technically speaking, clause number 22C, which has been signed by the officials of the club, representing the club. We must be careful to see that none of the players nor the supporters have signed the 22C clause. Okay, so the officials are aware of the clause. Which officials? I hope it will be the secretary of the club who has signed it, and not any other official, because normally he represents the club, or maybe the treasurer, finance secretary, sorry, because he is in charge of the football team as empowered by the executive committee of the club. Now what we see, that the incident happened. Mohan Bagan finished the first half. They went to the dressing room and then didn't turn up, in spite of the match commissioner clearly reading out the rules, and it was telecast on the channel that was covering the match, that what would have happened if the rules were violated, and which clearly spoke of a ban. That night itself, AIFF announced the Mohan Bagan was guilty and punishment was announced. Now, ban is only a part of the punishment. Alright, the punishment was a fine along with the ban, along with a provision to contest this decision, that is appeal to AIFF with a prayer to review its decision. AIFF is the, whatever be the real scenario, AIFF technically is empowered to be as the legal guardian of Indian football. Okay, so, and as a guardian, it must ensure one thing, that the players who are playing football, they have the opportunity to play, that is come to the field, and supporters cheer for their club, as simple as that. So what AIFF has done is, they have punished the authorities who were responsible, who were not present on the ground that day. They were not aware of the situation. They had telephonic conference, as it came out in the press release available on the club website. So they had, four of them had discussed among themselves without being present on the ground, and the decision was conveyed to the football secretary who was with the team, and they decided not to play. So now the Mohan Bagan Club Constitution says that there is a role of an executive committee in the club affairs. Alright. Now, as is evident from the official point of view, there was no discussion, no taking into confidence the majority of the club members and the executive committee, and it was a unilateral decision which did not have the backing, as was evident from the protests that broke out in the streets. I would like to add that although I am here for the time in Bangalore, I went back to Calcutta during this time and joined a few protests, and the common supporters' main ire was against the officials who were running the club, who were in charge of the club, and all the ex-players led the protests. We collected about I think 10,000 signatures, around about, approximate I am telling, and that was submitted to the AIFF. Players representing were Manas Bhattacharya and Videsh Ghosh. They spoke to Mr. Kushal Das, the secretary of AIFF. Kushal Das was very kind enough to hear out the story, and he was concerned about Mohan Bagan. He asked that what should AIFF do? What is the ex-player's point of view? To which they replied clearly that you deduct the points, because AIFF as a guardian has to protect its children. If you consider it a large family, so it has to protect its children, that is the footballers. And till date, it is accepted nationally that the revenue generated by a derby match is not generated by any source under any event of AIFF. So this, and AIFF is into a deal with IMG Reliance, who are pumping in money. They have come here to do business. So AIFF has looked at the viable option. They have set up a independent panel which has pronounced guilty verdict for Mohan Bagan, and they have announced a punishment. Now the punishment part, Mohan Bagan is still guilty. There is no arguing that Mohan Bagan is not guilty, because they violated the spirit of the game. Now the punishment consists of 2 points. One is a ban and one is a financial punishment. Mohan Bagan is still paying the penalty of 2 crores, and they have rendered apology, and their officials have been banned from attending a meeting of AIFF, which is again a slap on the face of Mohan Bagan, the National Club of India. Because the club which taught people to play football in India, have taught people how to win in India, they are not being represented on the national scale. So Mohan Bagan is punished, that means that no one is debating. Now the problem is, AIFF should make sure that there are certain rules. The rules should be reformed. That such unilateral decision, how can such unilateral decisions be taken as a decision of the club when it is clearly evident none of the majority of the members don't support this decision? Otherwise, there wouldn't have been any protests. Like in
there's no question to the view. It's a viewpoint from the fans. Just conclude on your decision.
Yeah. So, like, whatever has happened. On conclusion, I would just like to state one thing, that AIFF needs to reform its rules. In Juventus, you have seen that the officials were involved in some match fixing. Club was not punished, officials were punished. So this rule needs to be formulated. Today it's Mohanbagan, tomorrow it can be any Goan club. It can be any other club. So why take the club to task, the institution to task, instead of the people who are guilty? Single out the people who are guilty. Players didn't refuse to play. No one gave in writing players have refused to play. No one signed at that moment of time. So pick up who is guilty, punish them, deal the matter with them. Because footballers want to play, and we supporters want to cheer the team. That's all we are concerned of. So thanks.
Okay, I just want to add something here. Not